Well, guys, it's definitely been a minute since we've been out here in the shop. At least 2 weeks. I think this will be the third week. We're finally coming out here. Those that are new to the channel, thank you for tuning in. Those that have been with us, you know what's going on. We're still working on Intimidator here, trying to get rid of that Bondo crap. You know, we got chunks like this that we've already pulled off, sanded on. But nothing to do other than get started. We're going to actually get my grinder out. And we're just going to go through and just eat this crap away with my special eating wheel that I got on my grinder. Because it's my best option at this point. But first off, we got us a t-shirt. Yeah, we're going to make a makeshift mask out of that. So, come on. We've got this old baby sanded down pretty good. About as good as I'm going to get it. Because I think we're going to throw a little bit of Vice Grip Garage restoration. You know, that'll... You know what I'm talking about if you watch Vice Grip Garage. But nothing a little flat black won't cover up. For sure. If the guy had a little more money, he'd probably just go ahead and invest in some new doors. I did find some new some stock fenders up in the chicken coop there, so that's always an option for the front end. Of course, we still got to find other pieces, but that's fine. I think we're going to go through before we start spray painting this old fender or lip here. Try to make it look a little nicer and, you know, try to make it look halfway decent. Nothing fancy. Doggone, that don't look half bad. Now for, you know, 2 weeks of respiratory issues and other stuff, I mean, it's still got a few noticeable spots in it. But doggone! What do you guys expect, a show car? Good grief. I done made a promise. Them Counts boys is getting donuts for Christmas. Well, for race season. Glazed. Chocolate glazed. Nah. No, but we're not really going for show quality. I mean, we want it to look good. Don't get me wrong. But at the same time, you know, it is a race car. It's going to get rubbed on. The big thing is, I don't want to get all that Bondo off. Doggone, that crap was thick. So I figured, while I was out here doing body work, letting paint dry, what else we're going to do? I do got to make some support panels for the rear quarter panels. Or support bracing for the rear quarter panels. Let's get it right. But I also figured, well, you know what? We're sitting here, let paint dry. Let's fill these in here with nicer panels. So I've already gotten started. I took some of this old white aluminum that I got sitting around, the way it's cut out, it's not going to be able to be used for much of anything at all. So what I did was placed it up against here. And I actually kind of put one edge in here. And I took me a Sharpie on the inside lip, took it around, and voila. You can see my inside line, and I kind of imagine what the outside will look like. I'm going to try to cut it out. Hopefully, in one shot, it'll fit right there. Let's see. Oh yeah, that don't look half bad. We even made my other panel already too. You see? Check it out. It's the same crap. I made 2 left sides. Well, I'm hoping you guys are the only ones that notice when we put it on. This is going to be, a left side panel, but, it might work over here on the right side. But until we get the car fully restored, we're not going to rivet those into place, because honestly it'd be a waste of time, because we'd have to mask it off. So it'd be just as easy to take a piece of cardboard, kind of, when we're painting, put it back behind that panel, go get it all done up. Then we pull the plastic and do the pop rivet thing. I think I only got black left. Where did I get that black? Oh yeah, the Counts Boys. Because like every great racer, I finally got me a pair of Hey Dudes. Is it my proudest moment in life? Not really, but they're pretty comfortable. But with that, my toes are cold. I think we're going to pick up real quick and then head on inside. Yellowstone's about ready to come on. So, I guess tune in with us, because I'm sure I'm going to have a little bit of trucking diaries this week. So, God bless you. Stay safe. Hit the like and subscribe button. Don't be scared.